there's one. And that wasn't just out in the middle of nowhere. I know it looks like it was, but there's a oyster. What the world? That's a flounder. Holy cow. That is a giant flounder. Oh, I just realized it's hooked. Alright, y'all. Good morning. Welcome to Big Bear Fishing. So, she's all loaded up on the trailer. We are going to go do some saltwater fishing this morning. I'm excited. Let's go. We got to drive like, I don't know, 10 minutes. I'm just going to put in at the spot I usually put in at, and hopefully, well, I don't know if we'll catch another bluefish the way that we did a couple trips ago, but hopefully we catch, I don't know, I'd like to catch keeper red and keeper speckled trout. So, and we're coming up next month. Anyway, we're almost to where we have to recreational has to start submitting everything that they keep. So red drum, speckled trout, you have to submit everything online, which isn't a big deal. I don't keep a ton, but let's get after it and hopefully we catch some big fish today. Alright, y'all, so I have a popper tied on my bait caster. I'm gonna throw that a little bit. It's just a Flounder I've. You can get them at Walmart. It's got a chrome color with a black back. I'm gonna take a couple casts here just because I see some stuff popping, and usually that means possibly some predators, but we'll see. So I'm sure the first few casts with this thing are going to be atrocious. That was not as bad as I thought. I think it's a needlefish chasing it. Yeah, it's something on top. It's a needlefish, I think. There's something after it. Alright, we got some bait fish. I know this is out in the middle of nowhere, but I did see some bait fish popping. Oh, he got it. I didn't think he got it. Okay, it's a little blue. That was so funny. I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't think you grabbed it. I thought you missed it. The bluefish. Phew, that hook goes in there. I didn't even set the hook that hard. That's why it pays to pay attention, y'all. I just saw something flickering. Oh, I need to wipe my pants off, or my bibs. Yeah, we're not doing that again. Alright, just for a little context, it's about 15 minutes later and I didn't get another hit, so I don't know if that was just a fluke or I don't know. Probably could stay there all day and catch some more blues, but that's not what I want to catch. I want to catch a keeper red, and I want to catch some keeper speckled trout. It'd be kind of cool to catch some keeper Spanish, but I don't think that's going to happen back in here. I think they're moving back off of the beach, which is all the way over there, which I'm not doing. But hopefully we can catch some reds. I'd like to find some reds. I like the way that reds hit topwater, and I like the fight. So hopefully some reds. Another chopper blue would be kind of cool. The old gator blue. Let's keep trucking and see if we can't find the fish. Alright, I also have Flounder redhead, white with a red head tied on, because that is a go-getter. shallow right here, but yeah, there's a minnow right there. There's one. And that wasn't just out in the middle of nowhere. I know it looks like it was, but there's a oyster. What the world? That's a flounder. Holy cow. That is a giant flounder. Oh, I just realized it's hooked. Holy cow. Wait till you see this flounder. Jeez. That is a big flounder. Oh. Oh my goodness. Let me get my net ready. Oh, there he is. Nope, he's not ready yet. Here he comes. There he comes. Oh, I got him in the boat. Holy cow. Look at that thing. I'm gonna get the hook out. Get the hook out of you first. And then you're gonna go crazy. Yeah, look at this. Look at the size of that flounder. That is the biggest flounder I've ever caught. Look at the mouth. Holy cow. Look at that. That is crazy. Alright, I don't want to keep him out of the water too long. Oh wow, he's got a lot of fight. Lip grippers won't let go because his mouth is too thick. There he goes. Holy cow. That was a big flounder. Alright y'all, I checked my leader. It's good to go. I'm gonna keep fishing this big old flat right here. Whew. Man, that was my PB flounder right there. That was huge. Okay, you're good, I'm good, everybody's good. Alright y'all, I put on the boom boom shrimp. I'm gonna throw that around for a little bit and see if I can't get anything. Yeah, it's the wind's ripping. It's coming, like I said, it's coming out of the northeast. So wind out of the east, fish in the least. But we're gonna try that, throw that around, try to target some deeper water. There's a channel over here. Should be able to hit from where I'm at right here. Alright y'all, procured a little magic sauce for the old boom boom shrimp. I'm just gonna take a cast right over here to this channel. See if I can't pick something up off the ledge, because the hard bait is not getting it. I don't know if I'm just going too fast. I don't know. There's something. Oysters. No, it's a fish. Well, I don't know. It's going sideways. Oh, it's better. Okay. It was something that didn't know it was hooked. Oh, it's a flounder. Not a giant. Still a flounder. Still a flounder. Okay. It's not nearly as big as the one we caught earlier, but it still counts. Just gonna bring you in the boat. Yeah, you're good. Just stay in my boat for just a split second here. I barely hooked that one. barely hooked. Look, it just popped out. Alright, y'all, there's another flounder. It's got a sea louse on it, see it? It's right there. It's climbing on it. Oh, that's a pretty one. Yeah, it's got all kinds of louse on it. Alright. Which means I got all kinds of louse in my boat. Come on. Oh, that was a blue. 100% a bluefish. You know what? I still have that popper tied on. I wonder if I should throw that out there. Oh, come on. Got it. Here it goes. I watched that one. That was so... Oh, man.